Hi everybody. So I'm prepared to give a small tour of our office, how we are working, and what are the things in our office. So yeah, I'm just outside at the balcony of the office building or office floor, and I'm entering inside, and I'm switching my camera. So yeah, this is the first room that we have. And yeah, so we have working desks over here, two desks over here, and we have bookshelf there, water dispenser, and so on, and another table in here, and more working desks in here. So three in here, and here is Puskar.
Oh, hi Ramash. How are you?
I'm all good. Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
And so this is our monitor for the camera that we have installed at our office. And yeah, so this is overall about our office, one room. And this Puskar alone sits in here, and this is mostly back end in here. And in another room, we all of us we sit there and work. So our workstation is there. So I'm moving to another room. So also, like, we have everything installed, even attendance devices, that it is active at the moment. And moving to another room, this is our main workstation. So all of us are working here. And hello Krishna. So I'll come to you. I'll come there. So this are our brand new PCs, desktops we have installed just yesterday. And this is the bigger, like 27-inch 2K monitor, and it's like very flexible. So also, like, I can rotate it. I can rotate it and then do coding stuffs and so on. And I can rotate it back and then move it down, change its orientation and so on. So yeah, hello Krishna. So what are you doing at the moment?
Hello. I'm compiling our SLOPI source code right now.
Uh, and what is the major tasks you are engaged at the moment?
Uh, I'm building a framework for the SLOPI, the major project. Yeah. So on that part, I'm right now compiling the timer sections, the scheduler actually.
Great, great. So yeah, let's go this side. Here is Naveen. Hello. So yeah, so what are you working at the moment?
So by at now I'm working at PME 280 humidity temperature and pressure sensor
Okay.
and library that will later integrate on the firmware.
Okay, so that is about sensor, right? So
Yes.
we are integrating the pressure and humidity sensor into HLO pipe.
Yes.
On I2C bus.
Yes.
Okay, great, great. Carry on, please. And here is Riken.
Hello.
Hello. He's
I'm currently working on clocking calibrations for UART communication, so that while pressing the button I can change the clocking frequency. Right now I'm just at the initial stage, just calibrating something.
yeah,
So-
Riken. Yes, Riken is our intern at the moment, and he is actually doing great. That at the moment he has started with the 8051 architecture. We have given him an 8051 module from Scilab, and he is basically he has built even LCD interfacing written on assembly language. So he has now grasped about Yeah, you should have now familiar about how register works and
Yeah.
all the instruction and how 8051 core performs and so on, right?
Yeah, almost around 85% have gained
Yeah,
knowledge on
yeah,
it.
so I
Completely hardcore assembly language.
yes, I see so.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you again.
Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, this is about introduction of all of us, and yes, this is our transport station, and yeah, that is it, I think so. Thank you.